So Saturday soup day. Got the soup going on today. Got the old big cutting board out. Got the tomato paste ready to go in and the chicken broth. Got the spices going on here. Got some chili. Got some chicken broth going back here. Got some vegetable beef. It's just going to be vegetable beef. Got a big pot of vegetable. Going to have cabbage, 2 heads of cabbage in there. Some broth going there. Got some ham hocks and black beans here. Oh man. Sunday's going to be time to eat chili. There's another pot I had some stuff going in. Fun, fun, fun.